LED display and indication, battery indicator, roller tangled, 3 cleaning modes. Package content. Installation of the T350 vacuum. Please install the battery before turn on the vacuum. Usage of attachments. Could not turn on the T350 vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner can't be turned on when it's charging. Unplug the power cord and press the on-off button. How to maintain the dust cup. How to clean the floor brush. Roller Tangled is printed on the screen. The light turns on when the roller gets stuck.